Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. So Umboma felt like the city beings embarrassed her, right? And they're toxic and all that. And what decided was now she's gonna pack her bags and leave from our Kelapana and go and live with Gabriel. And I was so shocked was Kanjan. Oh Gabriel abengi baba no. Okay, Gabriel, I mean, he said the Proverbs 31 woman because it's shocking because the behavior yakhe nje yakhombisa nje ukuthi hayi bo nkosi yami. This is Gabriel Sedoko. Ufelicia akanawo amagama ke kodwa unemagama thubo nkosi to say this is the family that you want to marry into. Buka chaos usigcwele njani. Wherever they show up nje kune chaos. Buka la manje. They turned someone else's event into what. Uncle couldn't even say anything. Umpomo went to Gabriel. Gabriel was like, girl, if you thought I'm the keep eating type of guy, I'm not that. Pack your bags and go. And the worst part is that you will think that I would want to keep it with one of the city beings girl, Giyabonga, go back to Ikaigin and all that because Mina, I am not interested kuleyo nto girl. Boom was like, how Gabriel? Gabriel, I've been standing with you and I'm supporting you, I protected you and all that. What's okay, Gabriel? Kai, you know what girls always say that as a woman it's not that painful. So now you do have a car. Totally comes like Ujigenazo and go to the car. We go corn because there's nothing else I'm gonna do for you. Muga. And Wendy wants to apologize to Marona to say, Yo mtanam. I don't know the kind of parent that I am. Putting is again, they would not feel safe to come to me with such things. Maron was like, Ma, there was nothing I could have done, Mina, or said, or Roganjan, go to nje. The situation lay. I want to feel and sometimes you feel ashamed, embarrassed, and all that. But then, yeah. Kunjalo okay. So Felicia had like a listening session for a new album yake, and the people that you featured, it was a success. And Marona showed up with Ama flowers to say, you know what, girl, congrats, because now you put me flowers when I had my first listening session, yabo. So I thought I should do so. But I was in Jena. These people they will say that kanjan publicity stunt. Kusho kwamamhlophe saying, hey, focus, this girl can run you. Uyamazi nje u-Ishmael yena-ke what he said, you know what, lo Malona has done a lot. She destroyed a lot of things for me and a lot of relationships. Ngicela nimthathele le restraining order nimnikezeni yona so that she knows that no calls, no anything when it comes to Ishmael. And when she went to and find out ukuthi Wendy now uyalwa nama-siblings akhe, they're fighting over this whole thing nje. And hey, inkosi yami kuningi and naye bafika kwangena khona lapho Wendy was like, hey, adopta leli lakho mina if you're gonna play that with me. Sanibonani. So Wendy's sister says that she blames Wendy for being the person that she is towards abantwana bakhe. That's the reason how and why they turn out this way. When it's true, guys. When has always been pushing these kids for. I understand that our parents are supposed to support us, right, and tell us who must better and like motivate us and push us to like our limit. When was always pushing bantwana bakhe to one direction. When there's always pushed them into one direction, and the direction le masibafika kuyo now it turns out that yena akayithanda uma once nakancane nje. And for the fact, I think mostly is the fact that she feels like someone else cannot use my kids ukuthi benefit yena. If yena as a mother is not the one who's benefiting from that, then no one deserves to benefit from using bantwana bakhe because yena she gave birth to them, raised them, and she's the mother. She's the one who's supposed to be benefiting from everything. Lena, it seems like bantwana bakhe they were used for. But now Gabriel is the one who's getting lama benefits. It's a problem. It's a problem now. For Wendy, no one else is supposed to be getting my benefits from my kids. If they work hard, they work hard for me. If they have a lot of money, they have a lot of money for me. If they gotta sell their bodies, it must be for me, not for someone else. There is a learned must be for me, not for anyone else. And Vele that's what she's preaching. Go to Mpum was like, toxic environment, not for me. Not for me. I'm not gonna be part of it. I'm gonna leave and start a new love. Where to Gabrielle go to Mpumi? I wonder what made Mpumi think that Gabrielle is so in love with her. Like the reason or the top three things that made Mpumi think that Gabrielle is in love with her. He would even take her if she comes from Gibo and say, you know what, I don't wanna live at home anymore, or I'm gonna visit you for the whole month. Gabrielle will allow. Gabrielle has always used people. She took Ubasetsana from Genesis just to spike Ubunko and Ufelish. She took Umaruna from Genesis because she wanted to Ishmael just because she wanted to. Everything has to be. And I don't understand because Mpumi has a talent, right? Mpumi has a talent. She knows how to write songs and songs that resonate with people and songs that makes a lot of money. I don't know why Mpumi anga focus it on. And Maruna once said that, you know what? Look, Gabriel is going to use you and throw you out. Maruna once told Mpumi that use your talent, Mpumi. Use your talent. Not lendo lo busy ngayo, but use your talent. Utobona to be successful. But ngale ndlela le ngeke. So kujolwa kwaMpumi no Gabriel or whatever it is that Gabriel called it. I don't even think that Gabriel saw Mpumi as a partner yakhe or someone that he loves and everything. Kodwa Mpumi yena thought that mhlambe they are in love or they are in a relationship what. Mpumi should have put a career yakhe first than Gabriel and then Gabriel uyalandzela. Because the reason why Gabriel wanted Mpumi go Revelations record was because she saw the talent that Mpumi had. Mpumi didn't have to do all those things that came after that. She should have just focused to what she does best, which is what? By writing great music for Basetsana and making millions for Revolutions record and then get paid. Like everything that Gabriel says that I did for you, I bought you a car with my own money. That's what Gabriel says to Mpumi. Okay, right, you bought me a car with your own money, but Mpumi worked for that man. You understand? So if Mpumi should have just like focused on saying that I'm gonna write songs and the man Lenabang Patarayona is what I will take to buy the house, to buy the car, to build the house for my mom. Not getting a money from Gabriel as if Maji, she's not making money. Because it seems like that. Because now for Gabriel says that I bought you a car with my own money. Means that it's not the money that you worked for. I was giving you the car just because what they were doing the deed together. That is it. Right? I feel like Mpumi sold herself too short for this one. And for the fact that she had so much pride. She had so much what towards the family, like even though when Marona said that do not trust Gabriel. Marona told them a million times because I understand because there's a contract. I understand that there's this and that, but do not trust Gabriel. Gabriel is a dog. Oh, must have a former case from Gabriel was heaven and earth. I'm going to move it to Gabriel. If he wants me to lie down and lie with a man, I'm going to lie down and lie with a man that I don't know. Just so that I can make sure that he gets a lot of money. Now, what's the niggas are gonna keep it? And I'm trying to remember. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm trying to remember if anything happened between Mpumi and Gabriel after Mpumi came from Umzwaki. I don't remember them doing something after Inzabakamzaki. So maybe this is Gabriel's way to say that and after Umzwaki Villa didn't want you, you can go do whatever you want to do, but not with me. But he's trying to make it seem like family and all that. That's why he brought the whole Sidibeng thinging. Because Baga Sidibeng they came and caused a chaos Lapayan. What if it's Gabriel's way to say, you know what, it's over. I heard what I heard. I thought that maybe you can have Umzwaki and he can give us all the money in the world. But you didn't. That means that maybe. What if this is Gabriel's way of saying it's over to Mpumi? Mom has been crying, Ben. She has a car. Been crying in the car. Mpumi, crying in the car. Qabanga. Crying in the car. Who does that? That's because you have a car. You go cry there, it's gonna be better. I she's got when you're crying inside a car.